And the last part of Jupiter is the bridge. And this is if you want to go into other ecosystems. And it has a lot of options, right? Ethereum, Optimism, Binance, Polygon, Base, like pretty much all the biggest EVM chains, and Tron. Interesting. I did not expect to see Tron there, but interesting. And the really cool thing is that, for example, I can send Sol, but I can receive a different token, right? Or I can, from Ethereum, I can send USDC and receive Sol, although no quotes found. So that one example actually does not work. But I can receive USDC. And what this is doing is that it's showing you the different bridges and it's showing you the best option. For example, I'm trying to send $100, and if I use the bridge, I only get $73. That's terrible. It's almost like a 30%. But if I use Albridge Core, I actually get $10.13. So that's going to help pay for the fees. That's great. You get 30 cents more. Of course, on Ethereum, you're going to have to pay like $8 on fees, but still good. It shows you all the different bridges and you can choose. So Jupiter is not only aggregating the DEXs for the swaps, it's also aggregating the bridges to come in and out of Solana. So that's interesting as well.